Today, I'm making bükme with paper-thin dough and a delicious green lentil filling. First, I'm preparing the dough for bükme. It's a simple dough with flour, water, and salt. I knead it until it no longer sticks to my hands. The dough has come together. I place it in a bowl, cover it, and leave it to rest for 20 minutes. The dough has rested nicely. Now it's time to roll it out. I place the dough on the worktop and divide it into 2 equal pieces. I set one aside and begin rolling out the other with a little flour. I'm setting this dough aside. I'm rolling out the other dough the same way. Both pieces of dough are rolled out. Now I'll spread poppy seed paste between them. I have a mixture of butter and vegetable oil, which I add to the poppy seed paste. I pour the mixture over the dough and spread it evenly. I place the other dough on top and apply the same mixture to it. I stretch the dough as much as possible with my fingertips. There may be a few tears, but that's no problem, as we'll fold it again. I fold the rolled dough into an envelope shape. Now I divide the dough into small equal pieces. The dough pieces will rest on the worktop for another 10 minutes. Meanwhile, I'll prepare the filling. I've boiled the green lentils. Now I sauté the onions in a separate pan and add them to the lentils, along with salt and red pepper flakes for flavor. The green lentil filling is ready, so I leave it to cool. Meanwhile, I begin rolling out the dough. I take one piece and roll it out as thinly as possible. I place some green lentil filling inside the rolled dough, close the edges and fold it neatly. And the bükme is ready. I spread a little yogurt and poppy seed paste over the bükme, then place them in the oven. I bake them at 185 degrees for 20 minutes. The bükme are ready. Now it's time to plate them and have a taste. The paper-thin dough has baked beautifully crisp, and the green lentil filling works perfectly with it. Of course, there are other varieties too. You can also make bükme with potatoes, but I think you should definitely try the green lentil version. Enjoy!